Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Let's start today's Crypto Weekly. Before that, one important note. After uploading the video, you may notice scam bots in the comments pretending to offer giveaways, investment tips, or fake support. Please ignore them. I'll never ask for your wallet info or contact you privately for money. Stay safe and always verify before you trust. Crypto markets are buzzing as Bitcoin smashes through $108,000, driven by surging institutional demand and shifting global sentiment. Historic Satoshi Era miners, who sold nearly 10,000 Bitcoin in 2024, have almost completely stopped selling in 2025, offloading just 150 BTC, a staggering 98% drop. This signals strong conviction among veteran holders that higher prices could lie ahead. Meanwhile, the U.S. government is becoming increasingly pro-crypto. A White House official called Bitcoin digital gold and urged America to accumulate as much BTC as possible. President Trump doubled down, praising Bitcoin as amazing and crediting crypto with creating jobs and easing pressure on the dollar. Institutional adoption keeps growing fast. Coinbase CEO confirmed they're buying Bitcoin weekly. Bhutan has quietly mined 12,000 BTC, holding an amount worth nearly 40% of its GDP. BitDigital raised $150 million to buy Ethereum, while treasury strategies are evolving quickly. Upexi Treasury and Sol strategies are boosting Solana reserves and setting up ecosystem funds. Regulatory breakthroughs are sparking optimism. Bitwise has filed for spot ETFs on Dogecoin and Aptos. Dinari got SEC approval to offer tokenized stock trading. Gemini launched tokenized stocks in the EU. And REX Shares plans the first U.S. crypto ETF offering Solana staking. India will unveil a crypto discussion paper in July, and Bitvavo has secured a MiCA license in the Netherlands, joining Coinbase and Kraken in accessing all EEA markets. DeFi remains strong, with Lido, Aave v3, and EtherFi leading total value locked. More than 35 million ETH, nearly 30% of all Ethereum, is now staked. The Ethereum ecosystem generated $7.3 billion in fees over the past year, while daily transactions on SEI have tripled, hitting a record 1.6 million. Macro trends are also boosting sentiment. The S&P 500 reached a new all-time high after Trump announced a China trade deal, and Bitcoin has surpassed Google to become the world's sixth largest asset by market cap. Yet, despite all-time highs, traders are divided. Whale trader James Nguyen has opened a 40x leveraged short position on Bitcoin, betting on a price correction, even as the fear and greed index remains firmly in greed territory at 65. So what does all this mean for investors? This week's news paints a powerful picture for crypto investors, but also a complex one. Here's what you should know. What investors should do. Stay diversified. While Bitcoin remains the big story, institutional money is flowing into Ethereum, Solana, and even altcoins like Dogecoin and Aptos. Consider spreading exposure rather than betting only on BTC. Follow regulation closely. Regulatory approvals for ETFs and tokenized stocks suggest new avenues for traditional investors. Keep an eye on India's upcoming policy paper and MiCA licenses in Europe for potential catalysts. Monitor institutional moves. Watch large buyers like Bhutan, Coinbase, and major funds. Their activity signals long-term conviction and often precedes market trends. Don't ignore DeFi. Massive staking growth and rising fees indicate Ethereum and DeFi protocols remain strong investment themes. Projects like Lido, Aave, and EtherFi could see further growth. Use caution with leverage. Whale traders opening large short positions highlight volatility risks. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, and avoid over-leveraging even in a bull market. What to watch closely. Whale activity. Big traders can trigger liquidations and sharp swings. Keep an eye on significant short or long positions, especially at key price levels like $108,000. Macro developments. The S&P's rally and geopolitical events like US-China trade deals can spill over into crypto sentiment. ETF flows. Surging inflows into Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs reflect growing institutional adoption. Sudden reversals could signal shifts in sentiment. Tokenized assets. Adoption of tokenized stocks and new ETFs could change market structure and open crypto to millions of new investors. Emerging altcoins. Coins like SEI, TON, and newer tokens topping trending lists are drawing speculative interest. Research thoroughly before jumping in. In short, institutional adoption, political tailwinds, and technological progress are pushing crypto deeper into the financial mainstream. But volatility remains high, and the path up won't be smooth. Smart investors will combine optimism with caution and stay informed to navigate the ride. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe.